A beautiful evening for a dog walk. The sunset was unreal, but we also had an amazing encounter at the end. There's been some stunning sunsets recently, but the sunshine has brought out the mosquitoes, and while this bat was having a feast, we were being eaten alive here. So we quickly moved away from the bog and into the open heathland, where, during the summer evenings, you can often hear a very mysterious sound. I hope you can hear that. Nightjars. It must be just over there. The New Forest is one of the best places to hear these incredible birds, and even see them if you're very lucky.